I think the definition of greatness is to inspire the people next to you. Yeah, I think that's what greatness is or should be. It's not something that lives and dies with one person. It's how can you inspire a person to then in turn inspire another person that then inspires another person. And that's how you create something that I think lasts forever. Yeah. And I think that's our challenge as people, is to figure out how our story can impact others and motivate them in a way to create their own greatness. There's a quote from one of my English teachers at Lower Merion named Mr. Fisk. He had a great quote that said, "Rest at the end, not in the middle." And that's something I always live by. You know, I'm not gonna rest, I'm gonna keep on pushing now. There are a lot of answers that I don't have, even questions that I don't have. But I'm just gonna keep going. I'm just gonna keep going, and I'll figure these things out as we go, right? And you just continue to build that way. So I try to live by that all the time.
And what brings you the most joy right now?
Being with my family.
Really?
That is, man, that is the most fun.
Now, check out this area. This area, you see how plain it is? Let me zoom back for you. Now, that's a clearance plant hydrangea that I have. So I have two pieces of cover here, but behind the hydrangea is another hydrangea. And then I have that pot matching with that Artemisian and that one. So now I need color. Here we go. I went plot shopping for this moment. Boom. You all. Look at how that defines the area. Okay, that's what I'm going to put there. And then we got the yellow, dedicating this to the Lakers. One, and I'm going to split these daylilies. Check out that. Now look how that space will be defined. Let me get out the hydrangeas in my way. Purple and yellow next to a hydrangea that blooms. Wait for it. Let me show you all. That blooms the deep purple and blue color. So that's how I'm going to fill that space up. And next, redefining this space, I already placed the coreopsis. I have one there and one here. Next to it will be Pomaneria. If you all haven't seen this perennial, I haven't either. It's love shade, so I'll see how it does here. But yeah, you all, I'm going to redefine this space here. I will end up bringing this Eugenia in for the winter time. And when I do, I'm going to place that pot in that spot. But yeah, it's digging time. Let's define these areas in my purple and yellow themed garden. And the offshore would be a color red. Oh, let me show you all. Oh, we have some red here. But look at the purple inside of that. Oh, I'm in love. Here we go, you all. Can you tell a difference? All right, so I split the daylilies. I added one here, one there, and the other one there. And then, you all, I'll find out the name of those. It's perennial, I do know that. And then that's the David Austin's rose, so that yellow will play off of that yellow. But I added my white stand here so it's like how the potato vine can just fall down on the plants. I'm excited. I added some liriope up in that boxwood, which I need to turn this plant around because the front is on the other side. You all probably can't tell. Next, I split it and put it 2 daylilies there and there so I can get some purple. I also got another stand and added some more purple heart there to match with those 3 purple hearts. All right, and then the inside. Okay, I planted one coreopsis here and the other one there. I decided not to put anything in the middle because the other plant was a shade-loving plant, and I don't think this is like part sun. So there we have it, you all. Look, my hydrangea, they're giving me blooms. Oh, they're giving me blooms. I'm so excited. And there we have it. My purple. And that pink won't be there forever. That's the only piece of pink I really have in that garden, in this bed. But I'm going to dedicate this with the purple up there to Kobe Bryant and the Lakers. Now I'm done. I'm done and dirty. Done and dirty. All right, you all. See you again soon. Subscribe and don't let no one tell you that gardening is a clean hobby, because it's not. It's a very, very, unfortunately, dirty one.